I'm Roger Lawrence. I'm the Product Development Manager here at CharTec. I am part of the BDR division here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about our fully managed BDR. Now, with our fully managed BDR, what that means is it's a white glove service. We're going to set up the backups, we're going to do all the remediation, and after we do all of that, we're then going to do any kind of failback recoveries. We manage all the cloud, everything that from start to finish on the backup process as much as possible. On average, if you had a fleet of, say, 20 BDRs, you're going to at least spend 20 to 40 hours a month working and managing these BDRs. What if you could have that time back? Could you get some more sales in? Could we do some more projects? Could we deal with our relationships with our clients? And these are all questions that you need to ask yourself, because with our CharTec BDR, for around the same costs, you're getting all of that included with every device. Now, I like to use the analogy of going out and changing your own oil. Now, you could totally do that. I could find all the tools and jack it up and remember, because it was 3 or 4 months ago, where the actual plug was, and then fit my hand in there and pull the plug and get it all changed, and it would probably take me around an hour to do. Or I could go down to the 15-minute, drive it over, they take and do everything for me. I just sit in my car and wait, and I could do other things like work on my phone, answer emails. I can do things, and it allows me to work on other things instead of having to work on changing my oil, basically wasting my time. I don't know about you, but my time's pretty valuable. We all wear many hats, right? Some of you are CEOs that are also working and doing these projects, and you're also doing sales, and you're also having to be HR, and you're wearing all these different hats. And some of you are project managers who have to take calls and schedule things, and some of you are technicians who would much rather probably be working on things that have more urgency than the backups, the necessary evil, because backups are basically that, a necessary evil. We have a staff of dedicated individuals that work on these backups day in and day out. They're 24/7, 365, all US based. For more information, reach out to our staff at sales@chartec.net.